So we'll continue with exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. Okay. So question number 1. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter. Sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast is melted and recast into sphere of cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find height of the cylinder. Find height of the cylinder. Okay. So when you break one object, make another one, the volume remains same. That means sphere will be equal to the cylinder. Okay, this is 4.2, this is little bigger here, 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. Height is not given. Second right here, volume of the sphere equals to volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder. So what will you find? If you write this is small r, this is capital R, 4 by 3 pi r cube pi r square h. Okay. Then pi is cancelled. 4 by 3 r is 4.2 6 square 6 into 6 into x. 3 cancel here, 1.4. Okay. Then what do you find? 4 1.4 4.2 by 6 into 6 equals to x. So 6 cancel 0.7, 6 cancel 0.7. So it is equal how much? To multiply and find out. Okay. Now say question number 2. Question number 2. Metallic spheres of radius 6, 8, 10. Metallic sphere of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Okay, are melted to form or melted to form a single solid sphere. Single solid sphere. Find radius of the new sphere. Find the radius of new sphere. Same thing, method is same. 1, 2, 3 equals to a bigger one, R. This is R1, 6, R2, 8, R3, 10. So volume of these three equals to volume of the bigger one, because volume will be same. So volume of the three spheres equals to volume of the resulting sphere. So how we solve it? Now 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, 4 by 3 pi r3 cube, 4 by 3 pi r2. Common factor you take, cancel. 4 by 3 pi is common. 4 by 3 pi is common. R1 cube, R2 cube, R3 cube equals to 4 by 3 pi R cube. So 4 by 3 is cancelled. 6 cube, 8 cube, 10 cube equals to R cube. Here you have to simplify. How to simplify? 216. 8 8 64, 512 I think. 512 plus 1000 equals to R cube. So it is 1000, 512, 216. 1728. 1728 equals to R cube. So R will be R is cube root of 1728. So 1728 to 864 to 432 to 1 2 1 6. Okay, 2108, 254, 227, 3933. Cube root means you have to make a group of 3, 1, 2, 3. That means 1, 2 you take here, 1, 2 you take here, 1, 3 you take here. That is 12. Simple. Okay. Next question is question number 3. Question number 3. A 20-meter deep well, a 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth from the digging is in the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform. Spread out to form a platform. (20 meter by 14 meter). 22 meter by 14 meter. Find height of the platform. Find height of the platform. This is a very simple question. See, well is in the form of a cylinder. Well is in the form of a cylinder. This radius is 7 meter. This height is 20 meter. The earth taken out, you are making it a platform. You make a platform like this. So, in which this is 22 meter, this is 14 meter. You will find the height. So, this platform, volume of this will be volume of the cuboid. So, that is volume of cylinder equals to volume of the cylinder, because well is in the form of a cylinder. This is well, this is platform, equals to volume of the platform. So this is pi r square h A into B into h. Okay, the pi 22 by 7, r is 7 into 7 into 20 equals to 22 into 14 into h. Cancel here. So these two you divide, find the value of h. So calculation you do. But it is very simple, not difficult. 20 into 7 into 20 into 14. 10. Height is equal to 10. Okay. Then comes another question. Question number 4. That is a well of diameter 3 meter. This is important. A well of in the previous question there is a little mistake. Question number 3 again you see we did a mistake there. Pi r square h equals to a into b into h. What the mistake I did is actually r is equal to 7 by 2. R is 7 by 2. So 22 by 7, 7 by 2, 7 by 2 into 20, 22 into 14 into h. Actually this was given diameter. So R will be 7 by 2. Try to complete. Okay. This is for question number 3 for Excel. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. A whale of diameter 3 meter. A whale of diameter 3 meter is dog 14 is dog 14 meter deep. Darts taken out of it. Darts taken out of it has been spread evenly, has been spread evenly all around it. All around it in the shape of a circular ring. In the shape of a circular ring. Okay. Of width 4 meter. Of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Height of the embankment. क्या है this? Try to understand. This is 3 meter diameter, 14 meter deep. Okay. This is a well. This is on 3 by 2 because this total is 3. Height is 14 meter. You take out the earth, form it like this. You spread it. Okay. Here spread it over this. Here spread it to form an embankment like this. like this you have made. Okay, this is actually this is 4, this is 4, and this part I told you 3 by 2. This side, this width of the ring. Imagine you are making a ring like this. I tell you this is more clear if you understand. This is 4. This is 3 by 2. Okay. So when you spread over this, there will be height. So height means it will be a ring type. What is volume of this ring here? So what you have to do here is volume of the earth taken out equals to volume of the embankment. Volume of earth taken out equals to volume of the embankment. So this is the height now. Height is how much we don't know. Height will be this one. Height will be this one. Okay. Now look at here. This I copied here. If this is 4, this is 3 by 2. So you can write small r equals to 3 by 2. That is 1.5. Then capital R means this is your capital R. Is 1.5 plus 4. That is 5.5 meter. So this height you have to find out. Over this ring, how much earth has come up. So that is, this is 5 r square h. You can write r1. Or because r is same, this r is also same for both. Equals to volume of ring. Embankment means ring here. This is a ring. What is volume of ring? 4 by 3 pi r cube. What you will find out actually? This is ring now. Ring is pi r square minus r square into height. Height means this height has come off. This is capital H. Okay, cancel here. Pi is cancelled. Then what is left out? R square. 3 by 2 square into 40 is 5.5 square minus 1.5 square into h. So you can simplify 3 by 2, 40. This is a square minus b square formula is easy for us. That is 5.5 minus 1.5. 5.5 plus 1.5 h. Okay, this is the 7. 3 into 3 into 7 by 2. This is 4 into 7 into 8. So 3 into 3 into 7 by 2 into 4 into 7 equals to 8. 7 cancel. That is 9 by 8. meter. If you write in decimal, 1.2 meter. Okay. Question number 4. A container shaped like a container. Question number 5. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder. Shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter, having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. Height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. Is full of ice cream. This ice cream is to be filled into. This ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter. Okay, having the hemispherical shape on the top. Having a hemispherical top shape on the top. Find the number of such cones. Find the number of such cones can be made. Very simple. Okay, cylinder of diameter 12, height 15. Cylinder diameter 12, height 15 is made into ice cream. Conical shape having a hemisphere on the top. This is the ice cream. Then each side its radius. Okay, the height is how much? 12. This h equals to 12. These are diameter 6. Diameter 6. This diameter is 6. So this is P. Okay. So you can write here. Here you can write R equals to 12 by 2, 6 centimeter. Height equals to 15 centimeter. Here you can write height equals to 12 centimeter by 2, that is 3 centimeters. So you can write volume of ice cream in the cylinder equals to N into volume of ice cream in cone and hemisphere. Because this is cone plus hemisphere, so this is pi r square h. This is pi r square h n into n means how many like this you can make 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is one ice cream, this is cone and hemisphere. So simplification, what is simplification? Pi r square h n into pi by 3 common, pi by 3 common, r square h, r square also common, h plus 2r. The pi is cancelled. Easy to find out. Okay, r is how much? This was 6 into height. Height was how much? 15 I think. Yeah, 15. N into 3 into 3. Its age was how much? 12 I think. 12 plus 2 into 3. So 6 into 15, n into 3 into 3 into 12, 18. Okay, so bring it down. 6 into 15 by okay. So 3 2 ja 3 2 ja 2 9 ja. Let's check it again. Fraction is coming. Pi r square h 6 into 15. Oh, there is one here by 3. So 1 3 has to cancel, no? So only 1 3 will come out. So what will come? 3 18 will come. 3 and 18 will come. So 3 2 ja, there is 6 here. 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja. Therefore n is equal to 10. Okay, so remaining will do tomorrow.